Hey guys, so no packets obviously that got passed out. My apologies for that. I did not get them out to you guys last week. It just we were so far ahead, it didn't seem like something that we needed. Anyway, not a big deal. They have been emailed to you. Like I said, you don't have to print them all out. I mean, if you want to print off the page that you're using today, then that's fine. But just use a separate sheet of paper. It's not a big deal. When you come into class, you'll just take out the separate paper to see that I did my notes. So, what we want out of you here today to pay close attention to is the fact of both sides of the equation. That's kind of like the main phrase that you're going to end up hearing. Oh, I know. Regarding notes, let me make sure we're all in the right spot there. Let me find it up here. Here we go. In your math videos today, there's no number that's next to it. This is what we call a pre-topic B. So it's not actually part of it. It's the fact of we found that we need a lot of reminder of how to solve equations because a lot of you have not seen them. And so right here, as you can see, I am in sixth grade accelerated. All right, we are in unit 3. It's called one-step equations. So that's what you'll be making use out of. The very next day, there it is. It'll be saying two-step equations. And then the very next day, we'll have multi-step equations. So again, no numbers that are next to them. They'll just be identified as them. So just kind of keep that in mind. Showing the work's important here because we're going to see equations that you can't solve mentally. At the beginning, they're all nice and friendly. They'll be whole numbers, and you'll be thinking, why do I need this technique? And then when we start to get fractions for answers and things are not obvious, you're going to see the technique come into play here. So yeah, keep that in mind. All right, so you've got yourself some notes to take care of. Oh, the other thing is that there are in the classwork packet, there are multiple of the one-step equations. So let me show you what I am talking about here. Let me get to your documents here. All right, let's sort. Do, do, do. All right, accelerated. Remember, you have access to all these. You have them in your teams in order to get to everything. They're called like math packets that are down there. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Pre-topic B. All right. Pre-topic B classwork. So download that. Let's open that up. Like I said, there's no need to print this off. If you'd like to, you can. But when you do, notice it says at the top one-step equations. Your normal 2 pages. And then look at this. There's another one-step equation that's there. So yeah, don't panic on me. We're just doing the first one that's there. You're gonna notice that there's a lot of similarities there. I think it gets a little bit different into the second page, maybe. I don't know, in other words, but hey, people, you're just doing page 1, all right, and then page 2. The following day, you're going to get into two-step equations, and then there we go, and say two-step equations. So just watch for that. We do have 2 sets of that are in there. I don't want to cause any frustration. All right, guys, we will talk to you later.